Are you tired of lugging around heavy, clunky vacuums that make cleaning a chore? Do you wish you had a lightweight, efficient solution to tackle those hard-to-reach spots? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of backpack vacuums, the ultimate cleaning companions for professionals and homeowners alike. Stick around as we rank the top 7 backpack vacuums on the market, from good to absolutely unbeatable. Let's find out which one deserves a spot on your back. Number 7. Atrix HEPA Backpack Vacuum. The Atrix HEPA Backpack Vacuum is a lightweight, ergonomic cleaning solution designed for both residential and commercial use. Weighing only 10 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver, making it an attractive option for janitorial staff, pest control professionals, and homeowners alike. Its 1400-watt motor delivers a respectable 106 CFM of suction power, ensuring effective cleaning on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The vacuum also features a 4-stage filtration system, including an 8-quart HEPA bag, which captures fine dust particles and allergens. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its versatility. It can be easily converted into a blower, adding an extra layer of functionality for tasks like clearing debris from garages or outdoor spaces. The vacuum also comes with a comprehensive set of attachments, such as a crevice tool, upholstery brush, and floor tools with bristles or scallops. These tools make it suitable for cleaning stairs, draperies, blinds, and other hard-to-reach areas. However, the Atrix HEPA Backpack Vacuum does come with some drawbacks. The most notable issue is its short 18-inch power cord, which almost necessitates the use of an extension cord for larger spaces. Although lightweight, some users find the harness straps uncomfortable during extended use. Additionally, while the vacuum performs well on hard surfaces, its suction power may not be sufficient for deep cleaning carpets or tackling heavy-duty messes. Another limitation is the noise level. While not excessively loud, it can be disruptive in quieter environments like offices or libraries. The onboard storage for tools is also minimal, meaning users will need to carry attachments separately or pause frequently to swap them out. Number 6. Prolux X8 Lite Backpack Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Prolux X8 Lite Backpack Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a significant step up in terms of performance and usability. Weighing just 10 pounds, it's designed for comfort with adjustable straps that ensure a snug fit on users of all sizes. This vacuum boasts an impressive 120 CFM suction power at the hose port, making it highly effective on both hard floors and carpets. Its 4-stage filtration system includes a HEPA filter, cloth bag, HEPA bag, and carbon post filter to ensure excellent air quality during operation. One of the most appealing features of the Prolux X8 Lite is its versatility. It comes equipped with a premium toolkit that includes a crevice tool, duster brush, upholstery tool, and a Wesselwerk RD285 universal floor tool that works seamlessly on multiple surfaces without requiring adjustments. The slim design of the floor tool allows it to glide under furniture effortlessly. While powerful and efficient, the Prolux X8 Lite has some minor drawbacks. The noise level, rated at around 80 decibels, is noticeable during use and might not be ideal for quieter environments. Additionally, although the vacuum includes onboard storage loops for tools, some users find them inconvenient compared to fully integrated storage systems. Another consideration is its reliance on genuine Prolux bags and filters to maintain warranty coverage. This could lead to higher long-term costs if replacements are frequently needed. However, the vacuum's 7-year motor warranty provides peace of mind for those investing in this model. Number 5. Milwaukee Backpack Vacuum. The Milwaukee Backpack Vacuum stands out as an innovative cordless option that offers unparalleled portability and convenience. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery system, this vacuum provides up to 40 minutes of runtime per charge, ideal for quick cleanups or areas without accessible power outlets. Its 3-in-1 design allows it to function as a backpack vacuum, handheld unit, or stationary vacuum depending on your needs. One of the most impressive aspects of this model is its ergonomic harness system. The padded straps distribute weight evenly across your shoulders and back, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. At just over 15 pounds including battery, It's slightly heavier than other models, but remains manageable thanks to its well-thought-out design. The Milwaukee Backpack Vacuum excels in suction power and versatility. It performs admirably on both hard floors and carpets, while also being effective at picking up debris in tight corners or high-traffic areas like construction sites or workshops. The included attachments further enhance its usability by catering to various cleaning scenarios. However, there are some trade-offs with this model. Its dust capacity is relatively small compared to corded counterparts, meaning frequent emptying may be required during larger jobs. Additionally, while the cordless feature is convenient, purchasing extra batteries can significantly increase the overall cost. Despite these limitations, the Milwaukee Backpack Vacuum is an excellent choice for professionals who prioritize mobility and efficiency over capacity. Its cordless design makes it particularly suited for environments where maneuverability is key, such as construction sites or multi-level buildings without easy access to power outlets. 4. Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro. The Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro is a lightweight, ergonomic backpack vacuum designed for professional and commercial cleaning. Weighing just 9.2 pounds, this vacuum is easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for cleaning large spaces like offices, schools, or churches. It features a chiropractor-designed harness that reduces strain on the user, ensuring comfort during extended cleaning sessions. The 8.5-amp motor provides 120 CFM of airflow, delivering strong suction power for efficient cleaning on both hard floors and low-pile carpets. One of the standout features of the Shoulder Vac Pro is its HEPA filtration system. Equipped with a Hypercone HEPA cartridge filter, this vacuum captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air quality in the spaces you clean. The vacuum also includes a clear dome lid that allows users to easily monitor debris levels in the 6.4 quart capacity tank, which can be used with either a reusable cloth liner or disposable bags for added convenience. The vacuum's 48-foot power cord is another highlight, allowing users to clean large areas without frequently switching outlets. Its toolkit includes a crevice tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and floor tools that make it versatile for various cleaning tasks, from baseboards to furniture and stairs. The locking hose connector and 360-degree swivel hose add to its ease of use by preventing accidental disconnections during operation. However, the Hoover Shoulder Vac Pro does have some limitations. While it performs well on hard surfaces and low-pile carpets, it struggles with deep-pile carpets due to the lack of a brush roll. Additionally, some users have reported that the vacuum can feel heavy after prolonged use, particularly for smaller individuals or those not accustomed to wearing backpack vacuums. 3. ProTeam ProVac F6. The ProTeam ProVac FS6 is a commercial-grade backpack vacuum designed for high-efficiency cleaning in environments such as restaurants, healthcare facilities, and large residential spaces. With its powerful 1108-watt motor generating an impressive 159 CFM airflow and 96 inches of static lift, this vacuum excels at picking up fine dust and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Its 6-quart capacity allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. One of the most notable features of the ProVac FS6 is its advanced 4-level filtration system with HEPA media filters. This ensures that allergens and tiny particulates are captured effectively, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers or environments requiring high air quality standards. The vacuum also operates at just 65.8 decibels, one of the quietest in its class, making it ideal for noise-sensitive settings like offices or hospitals. Comfort is another area where the ProVac FS6 shines. Its ergonomic harness system includes padded shoulder straps and an adjustable waist belt that evenly distribute weight across the user's body, reducing fatigue during long cleaning sessions. The harness is adjustable to fit users of various sizes comfortably. The vacuum comes with a comprehensive set of tools tailored for different surfaces and tasks. These include a crevice tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and ProBlade floor tools designed specifically for hard surfaces and carpets. These attachments enhance its versatility and make it suitable for detailed cleaning in tight spaces or high-traffic areas. 2. Prolux 10 Quart. The Prolux 10 Quart backpack vacuum stands out as one of the most powerful models on this list. Featuring an industry-leading motor capable of generating 150 CFM suction power, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance on all surfaces, from hardwood floors to deep pile carpets and even ceilings. Its large 10-quart capacity minimizes interruptions during cleaning sessions by reducing the frequency of emptying. This model comes equipped with a robust 3-stage HEPA filtration system that covers an impressive surface area of 353 square inches, trapping allergens effectively while maintaining consistent airflow throughout the fill cycle. This makes it an excellent option for allergy sufferers or environments where air quality is critical. One of its standout features is its multi-surface toolkit with premium attachments such as crevice tools, duster brushes, upholstery tools with slide-off brushes, and 2 deluxe multi-surface floor tools. These attachments allow users to tackle everything from tight corners to high ceilings with ease. The vacuum also includes a commercial-grade extension cord that extends your reach up to 50 feet. Comfort is another strong point for the Prolux 10-quart backpack vacuum. Its thickly padded straps ensure user comfort during extended use, while its lightweight design, just 11 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver around large spaces or up staircases. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While powerful and versatile, this vacuum requires genuine Prolux bags and filters to maintain warranty coverage, adding potential long-term costs if replacements are needed frequently. Additionally, some users may find its size slightly bulky compared to smaller models on this list. Topping our list is the Sanitaire Transport Commercial Cordless Backpack Vacuum, a revolutionary model that combines portability with cutting-edge performance. Powered by lithium-ion batteries offering up to 50 minutes of runtime per charge, this cordless vacuum provides unmatched freedom of movement without compromising on suction power. What sets this model apart is its lightweight design, weighing just over 11 pounds, paired with an ergonomic harness system that ensures maximum comfort even during extended use. The harness includes adjustable straps that distribute weight evenly across your back and shoulders, minimizing fatigue during long cleaning sessions. The Sanitaire Transport features advanced HEPA filtration technology that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or environments requiring high air quality standards such as healthcare facilities or schools. Its versatility is further enhanced by a comprehensive set of attachments designed for various surfaces and tasks, from hard floors to carpets and tight corners to high ceilings. Despite being cordless, this vacuum delivers impressive suction power comparable to corded models, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. While its premium price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers initially, the Sanitaire Transport more than justifies its cost with superior performance, convenience, and durability, earning its place as our top pick among backpack vacuums. And there you have it, the definitive ranking of the best backpack vacuums available today. From budget-friendly options like the Atrix HEPA backpack vacuum to premium models like the Sanitaire Transport Commercial Cordless Vacuum, there's something here for everyone. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more reviews on top products that make your life easier.